Alright, welcome back. This is Crypto Bond. So on this episode I'll be showing you how you can perform P2P trading on Bybit. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. If you are a subscriber, make sure you like the video, share to your friends and family. If you are a new subscriber as well, if you get something from the video, share to your friends and family as well so that they can gain and they can know how to perform P2P trading on Bybit. So let's get to the video. So I'm using my PC. So as you can see, this is Buy Crypto. Click Buy Crypto, you see P2P trading. So if you are using your phone, you can click on more. So you click on more, you will see P2P trading. Just click on P2P trading. This is the P2P trading interface. Partner with P2P trading school. You don't need that. This is what you need. So this P2P trading, as you can see, you can trade USDT, BTC, Ethereum, USDC, that's US dollar coin, Solana, Tone, or Sun. All cryptocurrency you can trade them here. But most popular one is USDT, and if you can trade BTC as well. So let's go for USDT. The first one we see here is Abdulrahman, which is selling for 1,616 naira per USD. So the minimum you can sell for you is 4,500, and the maximum you can buy from this guy. So you are buying the minimum you can buy from this guy is 4,500, and the maximum you can buy is 9,990 naira. So if you click on buy right now, so if you want to buy everything that I have, just click on all. So this is 9,999 naira, which is the maximum you can sell for you, and which is 6.18 USD. So we are going to receive 6.182 USD. Just click on buy. So the transaction limit as existed is 800. That means another person has purchased of the guy. So we have to refresh. You see CM Exchange, Tasly, Damilari. If you are buying more than 12,000, 7,000, all this amount, you can just scroll down. You see 165,000, 100,000, 115,000, 751,000. It depends on the amount you want to buy. So just click on the second page, third page, fourth page, to 23 page. You will see a lot of P2P traders on Bybit. That's how you can just get the one you want to buy from. So let's go for this Topisco exchange, which is on page 23, and its price is 1619.30. The price is different between the one in page 1 and page 2. So if we go to the page 1, you will see that on page 1 we are having the first guy is 1617, but this one is 1619. So just click on the one you are comfortable with. So let's click on buy. I'll pay how much. Let's assume we are buying everything as, which is 50,086, and we are receiving 30 USD. Just click on buy. So it will take you to this interface. Just click on confirm. So don't be scared. This is secure and safe. So you have to pay to this guy account and get your coin from him as well. So after you pay to the account, just click on payment complete, and he will release your coin. And after you release your coin, within seconds you will meet your coin inside your wallet So you can also chat the guy if the guy is not online, or you want to tell him something that, please bro, be fast, anything, just put I and click on send. See two mark I see the thing you can read. If it's like online, and if it's available to reply a message, the thing will bring green and bring read. That's just how you can perform simple P2P trading on the account. So, and if you are not interested in the buyer, you can just click on cancel order if you haven't paid. Or if you have paid, you have to click on complete, and the coin will drop into your wallet immediately. But if you haven't paid and you are not interested again, just click on cancel order, and that's how you can stay away from the buyer if you are not interested in the buyer again. So I wish you gain one or two from the video. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, share to your friends and family as well. So I love you all guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.